Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dual WhatsApp in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, you should have installed WhatsApp on your phone. Okay, here in my phone there is no WhatsApp. So first install WhatsApp. And I downloading WhatsApp and it's going installing. Just wait. Installation is going on, and yes, it is completed. Now go home and go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, then go to dual messenger here, and here supported apps are showing. You have to turn on the button against WhatsApp and click on install, so another WhatsApp will be installed in your phone. And go to home and see the WhatsApp icon here. This is original one and this is duplicate one, so you can sign in into two WhatsApp accounts without signing out of each one. In the main WhatsApp, if you have included one number, and then in the secondary WhatsApp you can include another number. Okay, in this way you can use two WhatsApp at the same time in your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.